Do you know what your business is really worth or just what you hope it's worth? Could a buyer see more value in your business than you do and be prepared to pay a premium? Are you prepared for a valuation request, or would it expose gaps in your story? Welcome to the Critical Few Actions to Improve Your Business podcast. I'm John Downs, and in this episode I interview Fiona Hansen, business valuation specialist with over 20 years experience across Australia, the UK and South Africa. Fiona's worked on valuations in industries ranging from mining and biotech to services, IP and SaaS. Now we're all busy, so I'm going to give you the critical few insights in about 4 minutes. That way you can figure out your critical few actions to go forward with. You can listen to the full episode after this. When I work with successful business owners, quite often I'm surprised by how little they understand about what drives value in their own business. Fiona's insights were a timely reminder that valuation is not just about selling, it's a strategic lens on how your business is performing and where it could go. Here are the critical few insights from our conversation. The first one is, valuation is a strategic process, not just a number. A good valuation isn't just a spreadsheet. It's a detailed analysis of your financials, market, management intent, and competitive positioning. As Fiona put it, it draws from M&A, audit, tax, and commercial due diligence, making it one of the most complete business reviews that you can do. So what could you do? Well, even if you're not selling, get a valuation done periodically. It forces clarity around what your financials, forecasts, and value drivers are, and it can expose hidden risks or opportunities. The second insight is there's a difference between value and price. Fiona made it clear, market value is what a typical buyer might pay, but price, well, that depends on timing, strategic interest, and negotiation. If you're selling without knowing both, you risk leaving money on the table or overpaying in an acquisition. So what can you do? Well, before you engage a buyer or a seller, get an independent valuation. It's the anchor for every other conversation, and it helps you avoid decisions based on emotion or guesswork. And the third critical insight is, know your value drivers and be ready to explain them. Whether you're selling, raising capital, or preparing for growth, your ability to articulate what drives value and what could improve it is essential. Fiona uses a 7-step process to unpack this and presents her findings directly to clients to ensure that they're on board. So what can you do? Well, get clear on your key metrics: EBITDA, margins, working capital efficiency, growth path, customer retention. And then pressure test them. How would small shifts affect your value? There was much more in our chat, from how listed company data can help benchmark your position, to why buyers often pay premiums for strategic advantage, and how to prepare clean, credible financials that support valuation outcomes. As Fiona said, when we finish, most owners understand their business better than they ever have before. So what are your critical few actions? Is it preparing a 5-year forecast, tightening your working capital, or just booking a valuation to learn where you stand and how you could improve? You can hope for a great deal when the time comes, or you can take action now to make sure you're exit and negotiation ready. Enjoy.